Sombr's latest track Potential has everyone talking, but is it brilliant innovation or just lazy songwriting? Let's dive in. Sure, Potential has that distinctive somber sound. The pulsing beats, the emotional intensity, they're all there. But are we getting originality or just the same old formula repackaged? The track's got a hypnotic vibe, no doubt. But somewhere the spark, the edge that Sombr was known for, seems diluted. The music industry might be hailing it as a genius work. But we dare to ask, is it just overhyped mediocrity? Check out Potential for yourself and let's keep the conversation going. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more hot takes on the music scene.